Fuego was a handsome rope known for his beautiful hair. Lylac was a pretty young thing whose legs went on forever. One day, Lylac and Fuego met each other, and it was love at first sight. They both loved each other, and they knew, at least they thought, they could be together forever. Not too long after the two of them met, they decided that they should become lovers. There was a problem when it came to be lovers, though. In rope society, if you want to be lovers, you have to make the square knot. No matter how hard the two lovers tried, they could never, ever get the square knot correctly. When Lylac was sad and thinking about not being able to be with Fuego, she met him. She met WayneBow. WayneBow was a beautiful young lad known for his charisma. WayneBow tried all he could to make Lylac love him, but it never worked out. So he decided to let Lylac think for herself. And think for herself she did. Lylac was thinking about her future, not just the present. Lylac thought that her and Fuego were not meant to be, and maybe if they could not make the square knot, they were not meant to be lovers, and maybe she should go with WayneBow. She ran to where Fuego was, and she said, "Fuego." "Yes," responded Fuego. "Fuego, I think we may not be meant to be together. But before we give up on love, I will give you one last chance to make the square knot." Lylac was walking away. Then she stopped, looked at Fuego, and said, "Good luck, Fuego. I hope you do well." Then she walked away. Fuego thought that maybe he wouldn't be able to make the square knot, so he was sad. But before he gave up, he decided to go to his old friend, the wise sage pig. The wise sage pig was a pig known for his vast knowledge. Fuego barged into where the wise sage pig was supposed to be. Wise sage pig, what should I do? What should I do? My lover, Lylac, only gave you one shot at doing the square knot, but I don't know how to do the square knot. What should I do?" After taking a deep breath and thinking about what to say, the white sage pig finally said something. "All you have to do, Fuego, is to go behind her, under her, and over her. Then do that again. That's all you have to do." Lylac. "Yes, Fuego? I can do the square knot now." "Are you sure about that? It's your last try." Fuego said, "I'm sure, Lylac. I'm sure I can make the square knot." He thought about those wise words. Go behind her, under, then over, then do it again. So he did what the wise sage pig told him to. Fuego went behind Lylac, under Lylac, and then over Lylac. That was the first part of the knot. He was halfway there, and he did it again. Behind her, under, and over her, and finally, the square knot. Lylac and Fuego were super happy about being able to be together. But Lylac decided that before they could celebrate, she had to tell WayneBow that they were together. Lylac and Fuego walked to where WayneBow was. WayneBow turned around and saw that Lylac and Fuego were together. "Hi, Lylac," said WayneBow. "Hi, WayneBow. Me and my lover, Fuego, are finally together. I'm sorry I can't be with you. And now I gotta go. I hope you find a new lover." "Goodbye, Lylac. Goodbye, Lilac's lover. I hope you guys have fun. I'm going to try to find another lover now. Thank you for your time. Goodbye." And that's how Lylac and Fuego lived happily ever after.